another verse in relation to Hadith Ibrahim alayhi salam.
What?
Another verse in relation to Hadith Ibrahim.
Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن أولى الناس بإبراهيم للذين اتبعوه وهذا النبي والذين آمنوا والله ولي المؤمنين. So what is the relation between Nabi and Ibrahim in this verse?
This has been made clear in the verse, but before I start answering your question, you should better read the translation. Let him read the verse once again and read the translation, so that those people who are not well versed in the Quranic translation or Quranic Arabic language, they should also be able to understand.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن أولى الناس بإبراهيم للذين اتبعوه وهذا النبي والذين آمنوا والله ولي المؤمنين. Surely the nearest of men to Abraham are those who followed him, and this prophet, and those who believe in him, and Allah is the friend of believers.
Correct. The Holy Quran has made a distinction between a category of those people who are close to Abraham ﷺ and another category of the people who are close to him. Alladhina tabahu means that whenever somebody follows a prophet, automatically he gains nearness to him. It's not just a specific case of Abraham ﷺ. Every prophet would be closer, nearer to the person who follows him. So just by nominal relationship through religions, you can't gain nearness to Abraham. So if you claim his nearness, and if you are proud of such claims, then you must follow him. This is the answer given in the first part of the verse. And the glory of following him and the reward of following him is his nearness in this respect. But Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam did not gain any excellence because of following Abraham. He was farthest from his mind when he loved God and he loved mankind, and in his absolutely innocent, unaffected dedication to God and dedication to mankind, he had no model before him. He was told of Abraham and things later on by God. Yet he was built on the same pattern, on the same style. So in that respect, Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is mentioned separately, so that people may not be misled to believe that all he got was from Abraham. All he got was from God, and because of his own basic, unaffected, unadulterated goodness, because of the purity of his soul. But what he emerged into was a reminder of Abraham. Although Abraham was not equal in station, but still a beautiful image of Abraham is resurrected in one's mind when one sees the image of Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ growing, and even growing beyond the image of Muhammad, of Hazrat, stature of Abraham ﷺ. So that is why he is mentioned separately. Alladhina tabahu wa hadha nabi. And then those who also showed signs of Abraham in their persons later on, they are obliged to Muhammad ﷺ, not directly to Abraham. So وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا means those who believe in Muhammad ﷺ, they also began to gain their nearness and closeness to Abraham, but through him, because of following him. So there are three categories mentioned very clearly, and the reasons why they are separately mentioned I've already told you. Got it? Right.